Turning your engine, Y713MJO. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Altimeter looking good. Have little damage on this plastics cover. Compressor all broken, as you can see. On this side, engines look nice. Starter on a good conditions. Look as well on the gearbox. Everything nice. Same as well like on this side. You don't see any damage on the top. All connectors all broken, as you can see. Engines looking good. And on the bottom, oil sample without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine, Y713MJO.